back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. My name is Adyasha Naik and today I will be sharing 4 DIY toners with some basic ingredients. So now, without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Starting on, we all know tomato as an ingredient has too many health benefits, but as far as skin is concerned, it reduces and controls excessive secretion of oils, helps with acne, also tighten up the pores, which further reduces the occurrence of blackheads and whiteheads. It also helps with brightening up your skin. It gives instant glow, helps with hyperpigmentation, and also has anti-aging properties and etc. Now let me show you how to make it. Now here all you need is water, spray bottle, half tomato and a bowl. Now pour some water into the bowl and squeeze the tomato juice. Now mix it properly. Pour the mixture into the spray bottle like how I'm doing it right here. You can spray the mixture and then pour it in it as well. Second one in the list is cucumber toner. Now cucumber is mainly known for its properties of reducing the swelling and puffiness around the eye areas and also to the skin. Helps with acne prone skin and also soothes out the skin irritation and also hydrates the skin. Toner especially helps as an after sun soothing agent and calms down the skin instantly. Here take cucumber, bowl, spray bottle and water. Grate little bit of cucumber. Then strain it and take 2 spoons of that juice. Pour and mix this in the water really well. Finally pour the same mixture into the spray bottle. Rose provides infinite number of benefits in regard to your skin, like it balances out the skin's natural oils, it helps to maintain the pH level or balance of your skin, hydrates the skin and has antioxidant properties, that is like it protects your skin from further damage or any new damage. Now for papaya, it is really helpful for moisturizing and hydrating the skin, especially for the dry skin ones. It helps to remove tan, has anti-aging properties. It also helps to lighten up the skin, or you can say to make your skin give a little bit glow. Let me show you how to make it. Take half spoon of papaya gel. Here I am taking the Good Vibes one. You can use raw papaya juice as here I am using the Khadi Naturals rose water. You can use any one of your choice. Here as usual mix it really well. Make sure there is no lumps left out. Now pour some water and mix it properly. One we have aloe lemon. Aloe vera mainly concerns with hydration, soothes sunburn and fights acne and blemishes. It has other benefits like contains anti-aging properties, helps with skin irritation and etc. And lemon as an ingredient is a little strong. It helps with hyperpigmentation, helps to lighten up the skin. It gives the skin a little bit of glow. But if you are using it for sunburn, then do not put lemon. Skip lemon in this toner. And also if you have sensitive skin, then you can skip. Let me show you how to make it.
Take 2 spoons of aloe vera gel. You can use natural aloe vera gel or any other brand you like. I'm using the Good Wise one. Then you need half spoon of lime juice, and then pour some water into the bowl and mix it really well, and then pour it into the spray bottle.
Store all these four toners in a cool place, or you can refrigerate it for 10 to 15 days. It won't go bad. Now that's it with today's video. These are the 4 DIY toners that I wanted to share with you all guys. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Do try out and let me know which one worked out for you in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching.
Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Adyasha Naik.